Jim, the panel's vote today was unanimous. It's recommending a full FDA panel approve a Moderna booster for people in 3 categories. But unlike Pfizer, if approved, this booster will likely contain a lower dose.
I think it's a good recommendation. The Moderna vaccine, the mRNA vaccine, has proven to be very good.
But a Food and Drug Administration advisory panel says it's found protection from the 2-dose Moderna vaccine decreases over time, which increases the risk for breakthrough infections. They say that means a booster is necessary. But unlike Pfizer's, this one is a half dose. Dr. Rob Danoff with Jefferson Health explains why.
Less potential side effects, sore arm, fatigue, muscle aches, but yet it still provides that boost for the immune system to really be very strong.
The panel of outside advisors says there isn't enough evidence to open booster eligibility to everyone. Only seniors, young adults with underlying medical conditions, or those with jobs or living situations that put them at increased risk of getting COVID-19.
Those who work in grocery stores, they're around a lot of people, vaccinated, unvaccinated. Those who work in prisons, maybe our first line, responders.
So do Moderna recipients plan to get a booster? The reaction was mixed in Center City tonight.
Definitely on the fence.
Do you plan on getting a booster?
Yes.
I've read a lot about it. I'm not of the age where I need a booster. And I think it's good for my mother, my 87-year-old mother.
Now, Danoff says the full FDA panel will likely meet in the coming days, and approval for emergency use could come by the end of next week. In the newsroom, I'm Brian Sheehan, NBC 10 News. Jim.
All right, Brian, thank you. And that FDA advisory panel is not finished yet. Tomorrow it takes up whether recipients of the single-shot Johnson & Johnson COVID vaccine should get another dose. A little more than a week later, on October 26th, the panel will meet to give a recommendation on Pfizer's COVID vaccine for kids ages 5 to 11. Tomorrow, by the way, is the deadline for healthcare workers in Philadelphia to be vaccinated against COVID. They have to have their shots unless they have a religious or medical exemption. Right now, 71% of the city is fully vaxxed. 86% of people over 18 have at least one shot. NBC 10 is still watching out for you, tracking local COVID cases and hospitalizations. You can see our COVID-19 dashboard. It's on our website at nbc10.com/dashboard.